Today we'll be walking through the usage of the Trend Microvision 1 with Splunk SOAR and some of the actions that can be done manually and associated to the Vision 1 applications such as the Workbench, sandbox analysis, and response management. Once the Trend Microvision 1 Splunk SOAR have been configured, the Vision 1 will start to ingest the Workbench alerts that were generated to the Splunk SOAR based on the polling configuration that has been set. For us to be able to see all the Workbench alerts, kindly navigate to Sources and Events. Here, you'll be able to see the Workbench alerts that were ingested. For instance, let's check one of the alerts, and you will be able to see the information of this specific alert. And for us to be able to get more details of the alert, you can navigate to Artifacts and then click the name of the alert. And here you'll have the information based on the alert that were generated. In addition to that, if we want to perform a specific action related to the Workbench, if we're looking for specific Workbench details, what we can do is just get the Workbench ID and look for Get Alert Details, and then select the asset that you have and input the Workbench ID and launch it. Once it is completed, you'll be able to see the result here. And on this one, you can see the Workbench ID that we look up and the E tag. The E tag is the one, is the unique identifier associated on the status of that specific Workbench ID. Please note that whenever you change the status of the Workbench alert, you need to get the new Workbench alert details as well to get the new E tag for that specific status. And under the alert, you'll be able to see the raw data of the information associated on that alert. Also, with this Workbench ID, you can perform several actions, such as the get alert details, and then you can add note on that one. And let's take note, and then you can put any note here. Once you launch that one, you'll be able to see the result of that information, and you'll be able to see the note on the Vision 1. Let's take a look on the Workbench, and 48, and you'll be able to see the note here. This is a demo. Going back, under the Workbench alert as well, let's perform the other action that you can do. Go to Update Status. Before that, we need to get the E tag ID, and then go to Run Action, Update Status, and then the E tag ID. And then currently it's new, so let's change it to In Progress, and then just launch it again. And it's completed to In Progress, and you should be able to see that here currently it's new, and once you refresh that one, it will gonna change to In Progress. And those are some of the actions that you can perform through the Workbench.